1.
Hi guys, my name is Adam from Adam Baby Blog Fortes, and also today guys we're gonna ride a bike. I'm thinking all the parts we just talked about now.
Is it electric?
Yes.
How do you brake? Right there. And how do you accelerate? In the gray? Like that? Okay.
Okay.
Show us what you got.
Go on the concrete first.
Okay.
So pause the video. Well, it's not working. Oh yeah. Jay, why'd you? Oh. I'll pause it. Is it on pause?
Yes.
Oh, you get at this, Adam. Oh, you're going too fast. Stop. So guys, I'm making an announcement right now. If you want to buy this bike, buy it on Amazon. Also, this is where
Was
you
it a
charge
razor?
Yeah, this is where you charge it.
This is where you charge it right here?
And also this
Show
is
me where you charge it again. Okay.
This is a racer scenery.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Let's go for another ride, baby.